Hi friends, welcome back to Saranya SP Box. Today we are going to make a mutton rib bone soup. It's very easy. We can make it in pressure cooker itself and it's very healthy too. So let's start preparing. For that we need to take a pressure cooker and add 2 teaspoons of oil. For mutton soup we don't have to add much oil because the mutton contains oil in it. Then we can add the whole spices like cinnamon, cloves and star anise and cardamom. After that we can add shallot or you can even add the big onion. I'm adding about 10 shallots and one small medium-sized tomato which has been chopped finely, along with one green chili and few curry leaves. Then we are going to add the tur dal 1 teaspoon and moong dal 1 teaspoon which has been soaked in water for half an hour. This adds extra taste and it's going to really work if you're having some ulcer problem or acidity problem. It's going to soothe the stomach. After that, add the crushed pepper, jeera and fennel seed, each 1 teaspoon. Now let's add the mutton which has been washed in water 3 to 4 times. It is 250 grams of mutton rib bone. The mutton rib bone benefits are like it gives instant relief from cold and cough. It is usually given for weak and sick people and it improves the immunity and also strengthens the muscles and bone. Now give a nice mix. Now let's add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. After adding ginger garlic paste, just give a mix. And this mutton rib bone soup is very tastier than compared to the normal mutton soup. Do give a try and share your feedback. Now we are going to add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now we need to add water according to your consistency. I'm using 4 glass of water. It is a very small glass. Now give it a nice mix and we're going to pressure cook this mutton soup for at least 5 whistles. It depends upon your pressure cooker. You can increase or decrease according to your pressure cooker capacity. Now I'll be cooking for 5 whistles. After that we need to add the coconut milk at the last. I'll be showing it to you in the next step. Check the salt and add salt according to your taste. This soup is very good for people having acid reflux because it normalizes the acid in the stomach. So after adding the salt, we need to close with the lid and pressure cook for 5 whistles. After pressure cooking, let's open and see how the soup is. It will taste as good as restaurant style soup. Now the soup is ready. Now we need to add the coconut milk. For that we need to grate the coconut and extract the coconut milk. I have used one first milk of coconut and the second milk of coconut. Handful of grated coconut and grind it along with water and extract the milk from the coconut. And then again add little water and extract the milk from coconut so that you can get the coconut milk. Now after adding coconut milk we need to boil for just one boil, then finally garnish with coriander leaves. Now the restaurant style mutton rib bone soup is ready to be served. You can give a try to the soup and let me know your feedback. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up and subscribe to Saranya SP Box. Do share with your friends and family. Have a nice day.